Guys, it's your girl Josie. What's poppin', what's good? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to click the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this flawless, natural, simple glam. I've been getting a lot of compliments. Like the other day, I got quite a bit of compliments on my makeup, and you know, I was like, let me be nice and show everyone how I achieved this look. It's really simple. It's all about technique. It's just technique. Like, it doesn't matter about the product you have. It's just technique, good brushes, and sometimes clean brushes as well. Yeah, if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, then stay tuned and keep watching.
I'll let you take control, and I'm already solving. You are a case I will be solving. Oh yeah, I feel like
So my face is pretty much moisturized right now, and I'm now just gonna go in with my primer from Superdrug. You guys have seen me use this before, so it's nothing really new. So now that that's done, I'm now gonna move on to my eyebrows, and you guys know Anastasia Dip Brow in the shade Ebony. And I'm gonna do that really quickly, and I will get back to you guys once I'm done with my eyebrows. Okay guys, so my eyebrows are now done. Well, kind of. I just need to do the front of it. I'm really trying to get away from doing the whole like block eyebrow thing, but it's just not working. Like, I really want to go for a more natural brow look, but I mean, practice makes perfect. So, you know, I'm sorry if you don't like the way I do my eyebrows, then sorry, not sorry. So the next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with my foundation. Ooh. And I'm gonna use my Zoeva brush, my 104 buffer brush. I love this brush, and this is the bit that is going to make the base of my makeup boom. Like, what is that? Oh, I remember when I done this that day, I was like, what? Like, I was so shocked because it literally came on like cream. But let me show you guys. Oh yeah, I forgot to say, I'm using the shade Marquise's. Y'all probably like, why is she putting on so many pumps? Bitch, mind your business. Okay. Then I'm gonna get my Morphe spray. I'm gonna just spray my brush real quick. Now, watch the magic. See that? Do you see that? Do you see that? Does your makeup look like that? Does your girlfriend's makeup look like that? No. Anyway. To my skin. Like, what? Obviously you can tell my foundation because my skin is not all one color, but girl. So I know right now I'm looking a little bit pasty, but trust me. So I'm now going to use my Revolution Conceal and Define in the shade 13.5 as my like base kind of concealer. I would usually use my Real Techniques concealer brush, but I just have some foundation brush that I found, well, that I bought in a makeup set, and I'm just going to use that. Spray my face one time. Gonna let it chill there, then I'm gonna start blending. So now that that concealer's on, I'm now going to go in with my second shade, which is my 12.5 by Revolution, which is just this shade. And I'm also going to mix another light shade also with e.l.f. I'll be using Deep Olive, which is very light for me. When I saw it, I was like, oh my gosh, this is not going to be that deep. But it's deep, it's light, it's very light. But I like my under eye bright, so yeah. So now that I have that under eye done, I'm gonna go in with my foundation brush, smooth it in a little bit, like so, like so. I'm then gonna go in with my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in the shade Deep Walnut, and I'm going to use that to basically contour bronze, basically. Now I'm going to go in with my Real Techniques buffer brush and blend that out. Okay, so now that I have that done, I'm gonna go in with my concealer brush a little bit, you know, blend that out onto the contour. Like so. Then I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty and my Beauty Bakery powders, and I'm gonna use a Real Techniques beauty blender to dip that in and set my under eye. Y'all probably wondering, why does she not do her forehead and her chin? I just don't want to anymore. I like the you know, natural looking babe kind of thing. So yeah, but I will put powder there. So I like to mix it like so. So that's not too orange, but it's not too light. Is I like to go in with my Morphe face powder, and this is in the shade Filter 13. I just like to use this. I'll use this twice and just go like so. forget the lashes, guys, because I'm over with my lashes. Now it's time for bronzer. Now y'all know I've still been using my Revolution Splendour Ultra Matte Bronzer in the color dark. If you don't have this in your my shade, baby girl, what are you doing? So I'm going to use this to then do my bronzer, because I don't really contour because I think contour is a bit too harsh. So I'm going to use this brush that I got from Beauty Bay or Beauty Base or something, whatever it's called. I'm gonna do like so. It is very pigmented, so you want to do that. Then a bit on my forehead. I'm doing it downwards so that it's not too crazy. My chin, like so. Then that is done. Okay. Then I'm going to take, is this my contour? No. Then I'm going to take this flat brush. I'm not sure where this is from. I think it's from eBay or something. I'm going to wipe away the remaining of the powder. So wipe that excess off. Okay. Wipe it off like so. I'm also gonna wipe where I contoured here, just so that we're blending it in, you know, so that there's no harsh lines. Like, I don't know if you guys can see, but there was a very harsh line there, so I just blend that out. It's all about blending, guys. I'm going to go again with the brush that I used for my powder, for my face powder, and just brush. Just a little bit there. Then again, Real Technique brush, sponge, and I'm going to outline my contour, or my bronzer, should I say. Like so, with my powder brush, because I'm not leaving this on for too long because it will make a statement, it will stay there. So I brush that off, proper brushing it off, and then you see the line is just defined there. Just do it like so, wipe this one off. Do it like so, like so, like so, like so, like so. Do that again. Do that there. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with my Morphe Showman's Bronzer, and I'm going to add highlight on my nose, down here, a little bit here, and I'm also gonna add blusher as well. Blusher. Gonna take my Morphe palette, and I'm gonna use these two colors for blush, this color and this color, like just to, you know, mix and match. Va-Va-Voom and Cliche, because I've heard that plum colors are really good for black girls, so just do a bit of that. Now that I've done that, I'm now going to go with my Morphe spray. Guys, when I tell you, this Zoeva brush, invest in your makeup. This Zoeva brush is the reason why my makeup is looking so airbrushed. Are you guys seeing what I'm coming from? Like this airbrush kind of vibe. But yeah. Now I'm gonna move on to my lips. I'm gonna take off the makeup on my lips, and I'm gonna apply some lip colors or whatever. You guys will see in a second. So my go-to, Carmex. Yes, Carmex. Sometimes I'll outline my lips. Sometimes. Bit of Carmex. Moisturize them lips. You could go like this if you wanted to, or if you want to jazz it up a little bit, you could then add your little pink or whatever, and there you go. My everyday makeup, guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I know it was a little bit like quick, zip zab, all over the place. I didn't really go in detail too much, but I showed you guys. So it's all about technique, how you do things, and like I say, your base is very, very important. If you don't have a good base, honey, your makeup is dead. Your makeup is gonna be dead. If you guys want me to list the products and stuff down below, then I will. But to be honest, it's just the same stuff that I used before. It's just my technique is different. And yeah, that is all from me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys, and share to your friends, people. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.